Akwara. Na ma bancho manum na mudi akire ye. Munya kwa na eno ano no.
Say no road, no votes.
Send Ediko, Inabeka, Miaro, Endo, Miaro. Send Ediko, Inabeka, Miaro.
All of us are from our brother, Edeba, HY TV, so another pay. So, where dear. All right. Do you have a pass here? And you will be a bob, Romani, and in a professional way. Really, they are, you want so I say, even though you're on a sick girl, still duty calls. Still taking medication by duty calls. You want to share in Mpontuo and Yenpre Mpontuo live on HY TV, live on Facebook, live on YouTube. But yeah, when you programming, watching it, and I'll pay. Rebecca said, Masha, wash your feet and give me your own fee. All right. All right, ma, more wish me over the other Yamisha and the other. And the idea of the passing up. Ono no ndo wo mpane bi sa na na ja ode ne de unya wi am se asa ye bu ha no ayemre ne ade but yame ne dia se da ma me ncha kase come Mr. Mrs. Sarkodie the CEO and executive producers of HY for Sarkodie Junior omuna echobia kwaku my boss my perfecto boss factor 1 boss ba ko pe assistant CEO and media manager the friend kwaku enti bra kwaku o shame me boss me chia na no pay afi bi che bibiara echia Celestine akoti echia Mrs. Masha Junior Masha erade dia mwade erade you free my free erade mfa so no first cam brother bia what I see bi che bibiara makacha say wiki galam say week. Now, NDC a press conference, and to me, I'm in July. Oh God, NDC, MPP, they are all the same. And you submit Yenpre as a lawyer, esquire. Submit as a national communication director for the National Democratic Congress. NDC Eyesu NDC miawe zolo Yes, the national orchestra tobe NDC people are gonna say are all liars. But see, right from one day call no bokola. Monday call me shut no bokola. I wanted to force we are tired of these people. We are tired of these politicians. We are enough is enough with NDC. We are tired of them. What do you say? And NDC press conference and a buy no one can say and the Amakalam say so and easy. And let me tell you, NDC before your problem you're having as a certain government. The problem that this party or this government is having is always be they are pushing blames to their opposition. That's the problem of MPP currently. Always accusing someone of something. The way they are doing something is not going through a NDC. And you understand? MPP, yeah, oh, NDC for the century, almost sabotage there. Verification, NDC for the pet. God says so, NDC for the pet. Everything negativity, and going against this government is being pushing blame or apportioned by NDC. You see the problem and you see the mentality? So how are we going to move forward? That's what trying square one. La ilaha illallah. Allahu Akbar. I say every Friday. Allahu Akbar. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillah Rabbi, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, Malik Yawmiddin, Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdina as-siratal mustaqim, siratal ladzina tari wala do. No Jesus say Amin. Atabir Allah wa akbar. Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa lafiya. Ya gida, ya aure, ya kasuwa, na incremofo da yanzu no. So yes, yeah. And always be no, yeah, pursue blame no, and ya show be so NDC. Let me tell you something. 2024, over my NDC, they will be in power and they will also be pushing blame to MPP. I see bro. And that's what the boss I say, I don't want for the FO, near me, yo. Yeah, bro. We will for the boss I know, silent here. I say, and Enya, Sammy Jeffrey to Papa so near Enya now. In fact, baby, I'm a wapa now, mean information. People are telling me, people are calling. I was telling them that my business will be in meeting. Mr. No, Charlie, no, my shot, so I have to make sure I call on Facebook and then listen to name some now. Okay, seven. Some Jeffrey some okay, yes, some more. Make a sending. Really good. He came out with the problem of Galamsey, how it started, the orchestration of Galamsey, and how we can stop it, and also warning the government so on your play games in all and they're good. But let me tell you something. Some Jeffrey, all your phones are not sure here. Irrespective, say I buy your Ghana for Empema. Obuafun doesn't mean say bibia ne ka na yeke. What I say because galamsey e ka your chance pa mahama and ma galamsey no ye din Ghana. Sammy Jeffrey, you are blaming this government say unemployment in about for galamsey. But have you forgotten say 2012 to 2016 unemployment about Ghana na first any association but under NDC John Dramani Mahama we hear unemployment association in Ghana. Have you forgotten? Seems like that's a I'm a few. Some of you that a pen picture to Ghana for him. When you try to say the what can't be to me and say I say inquire you know. I say what can't be now. You don't be a call law school here. And then you must say that you home man here because I won't say I have one kind of credit. And the FA and interactive is so. Why? Because you know yourself 2014, 2015, now any power lose so much more Ghana. Well, more than 45%. Lay your focus. But today you need to provide 2,000 AD. But today you need to provide 3,000. Companies were collapsing. And at the end of the day, God, I'm saying, you know, we only see so 2014, 2015, and I shall one about Ghana, and I shall one was introduced into Ghana by an NDC Abarachi. Some of you, do you want this? Should we keep doing all these things always be Ghana? I then Ghana, Ghana move forward. Huh? And around 11. I was watching Metro TV. Oh, some of you that's no. I will fair battery. Some of you have a vision and your mission is to become a vice president of the president of the Republic of Ghana. That is your dream. What was it that you mean? What about vice president or president? But the way you are going, you know, 1 year, you will never get that position. I know it. You have that passion. Who was our call? So in no time, 10 years to come, you want to stand in and fight for the presidency. I know it. But the bill you with something. So 1 year, so real fear. Can say and then President Akufo and send you okay, you know, and they are somewhat at the Tiano. And today, someone can remember, sir, the media never dies. The media will still live so that kingdom can. Media can never ever erupt. Media can never die. And your footages will already be recorded down 120, 200, 300, 3,000 years to come. So we will be having all these videos and they are going to be played back. Use your captions. Yeah. Sometimes we get what they have in the say, and we're often was you bet that's how bo actually man. We don't say go for the cassette discuss recommend and then everybody tell no. Me say from Monday me bokola. From Monday me bokola. No say me niabre. Some go for yenchi the temple. You straight your kola ni bokola. Me bokola. Them the general was no, this guy is serious. So, the management of this country should be sad. God, I'm saying, God, I'm saying, HIV. God, I'm saying, COVID-19. And then, big also shut up. You see, I'm going to be me. I am not shut up fan. No. Me shut up, never fan. Me, my fan, I did a cheap pie over there. But anyway, shut up, what can you answer some? I check Paul, I don't watch it. Oh, good evening, Ghana on Metro TV around, I think 11. And it took me almost about 2 good hours to think about what the guy was saying. No. And I saw such a one answer. You really say, or you demon, you wish at what they say, or you be like, or to trust it, but no. What he's saying, I thought, said, no, the spirit that I have, and the watch at all because, so I didn't say, I won't press it and say, and the music industry need go out. Oh, my point, or fighting as much as possible, say, original. And that is what I'm doing. So, me tell them to know, this guy, that's what I mean, what I dare about you be. Hey, shut up. Yesterday, the statement, and I love it. I say, if you want to music, 1% I'm saying. That's what Chairman to me should be arrested. Chairman to me, yeah, chill. He's corrupt. He's a criminal guy. He's using the party name to gain his own profit, selfish interest. Chairman to me should be arrested. This party wants Galamsey to stop. And when we are able to arrest Chairman to me, I am telling you, Galamsey will come down. Asante advisor to the president. When I tell the president about Chairman to me, and you see, and never say no, shut up, serious. And he spoke emphatically with a lot of wisdom. And I was like, so yesterday I made that up way too. I was like, no, this guy, he has a vision for this country. And that is why I am crying and praying, said, the same thing. So I didn't let's call a spade. A spade. Sammy future when you are here to obey. And I when I can say, Sammy, you formatted a new president John Dramani Mahama so and all the employment any association with Ghana and it is being registered legally. Unemployment association is being registered under John Dramani Mahama. In America, I say I go swallowing for cotton. Sammy, we have the 2020. When I share Jama, of us one powerful. When the man shall indefinite resident permit for Ghana. Why in the authorization and the whose presidency and the whose government wasn't it John Dramani Mahama, the former president of the Republic of Ghana, 2015? Issue here, so Ashawan can stay here indefinitely. And someone was there. Now, what is the basis of Ashawan coming to Ghana? Ghanaians, Debbie. Is someone listening to me? What is the basis in Ashawan about Ghana? And yet, I'm saying, who introduced Ashawan to Ghana? Who? To Constitution, Article 256 coming down to 268. I bet you those who are supposed to own lands in Ghana. Article 266 will tell you the ownership of lands in this country. And then Article 267, Nippon is so to be only But in that Ashawan, I was a Lands Commission actually did a document to say she is an owner of a land here. Alex, you Usura would you see as a broadcast journalist? A little special wanting I'm to be. That doesn't mean, sir, men trouble. But I will let you know, sir, me, what's Sammy? What's Sammy said day? Me who cry means, sir, or we must always say, Atwaba. Now we will come a cry now, or the Cosia needs a moon and this measurement, sir. That doesn't mean I mean pay the policies of NDC. May compare Mahama and Kufara. Mahama is far better than Kufara. So we compare the regime of Mahama of 4 years and regime of Akufo 6 years going now. Mahama in 4 years is far better than the 6 years of Akufo. Yes. You interview him, you tell him he's a businessman. And any of the parties, if they're calling for business, he will do it. That is a business-minded person who needs the progress of the country. Maybe I need to fall from here and call. Still be from here for Monday and Kruma go to Bia. Who didn't say Ukraine Russia war and Kruma the guy prophesy? And Kruma book. Go look for that book. And Kruma lives and he will never ever die. President Nkrumah lives, and he lives in us. He will never die. The ideologies and Akemba, now Nkrumah Wama Ghana, we too we have it. The spirit of Nkrumah is always alive. The spirit of Osage that call Nkrumah is always alive. They will be covered by the big brains they have to manage their own affairs. Africa, Ghana is able and capable of managing its own affairs. So NDC MVP, leave Ghana alone and let Ghana itself manage itself. Let Ghana manage herself. We are tired of you people. NDC MVP, and a lot of them are from CBP. But I can put any approach, and I am really annoyed and pissed off when I hear people talking about all these things. On my way, I am no immune. Someone in Nipa. A man for and so you found. Galam say, the Biani I can. So, the generally Kasaki comes at Jane. The praying and telling God, say, a bear comma, a brofu, as I'm a fan, Quasumubium. Serious. I've been praying every morning the mom comes out, a bear come up, Brony. Kwesi Brony is a man for Ghana and a slave. Because Enka, I prefer me fire me, your short sense, I may be die. Oh, yes, can be die. Sometimes I can't sleep. Sometimes, if I'm in bed, I cry. And I'm not crying because I'm crying for myself and my family. I'm not crying because I'm crying for myself and my girlfriends, my fiancés, my so whatever. I don't cry, but I cry because of Mother Ghana. Because when I see Ghana and I shed tears, right? Obi oye juma we oye se 20 or sit constituency in Kwame area no one mekai. TC ni audio already. Chema who to me audio in the videos already. Oh for sure powerful. The audios and in the videos already. They are all part of Galamsey. They are the leaders of Galamsey. The doomsayers, the demonic people in this country. Chama to me abako. Go something and say. But when fita go
thread of equivocation that in most cases no one, and I repeat,